How to fix War Thunder Low FPS. 1. Check the minimum requirements to play Warcraft 3 Reforged and use dedicated GPU if you can. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Shut down unnecessary applications. And set high priority for Warcraft 3 Reforged. 4. Change your computer's power plan. 5. Adjust the in-game graphics settings. Desync, off. Graphical quality, low or medium. 6. Uninstall then reinstall War Thunder.